Hello and welcome, and today we're going to be making a really tasty burger. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. What we're going to start out with is some really nice burgers that I've squashed myself, and then we've got some nice back bacon, smoked bacon, a really nice roll, soft roll, onions, diced white onions, large one if you can, some sliced tomato, some lovely cheese, cheddar if you've got it, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce and salt and pepper. Right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to get your onions, and then you're just going to want to put them in a pan at a low to medium heat. And yeah, just basically going to just keep an eye on these. These are going to take about half an hour to cook, so just give them a little toss and season later on. So then what you're going to want to do in a separate pan is you're going to get your bacon, and you're going to want to pop it in the pan with a little bit of oil on a cold heat. So we're just going to toss our onions again, always keeping an eye on them. And then we're going to go back to our bacon after it's had about 5 minutes. We're going to give it a turn, and we're going to get a really nice crispiness going on the outside, and make sure both of them are like that. So after about 10 minutes of cooking on a medium heat, your bacon's going to be looking something like this, which is very nice. So we're going to take it off and just put it on some kitchen roll to drain. And then we're just going to butter our bap. And we're going to pop it in a pan, and yeah, there we go. And then yeah, about a minute later, we've got a perfectly toasted bap ready to go. So our onions are just about there. So what we're going to want to do is we're just going to want to turn off the heat, and we're just going to want to forget about them. Right, I've seasoned the sides of these burgers with salt and pepper. I'm going to put them straight in a pan. And that's going to be on a medium to high heat, so we can develop a nice crust. When we flip these, there you go, absolutely amazing crust. There we go, and the same for the other. So when we're at this stage is when we're going to want to think about adding the cheese. So just add the cheddar cheese. There we go. And then we're going to want to return the bacon to the pan, and we're going to want to take one of the burgers out, pop it on a baking tray, and just give this about a minute. So then we're going to take everything out, pop it on a baking tray, layer it up, put it in the oven. Going to get a nice spoon. There you go, mayonnaise all over. Then we're going to want to layer our fresh tomato over the top. Make sure all that's covered. This tomato is going to protect the mayonnaise from the hot burgers. So we're going to pop the hot burger straight on. Look at that, absolutely amazing. Oh dear Lord. Oh, and these onions. Come on boy, that's what I'm talking about. Get all those nice golden brown sweet onions all over it. And then we're just going to want to finish off with a little bit of barbecue sauce just on the top. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'll call it a day.